How would you improve your life in a way that your thoughts create your reality? I would love to share some information with you that can rapidly transform your life. For example, have you ever experienced when you ask yourself a question or when you were looking for a solution that the more you try, the harder it became? That may happen because that information is kept in a part of the memory where your emotions can interfere or block that information from reaching your rational mind. I'm Mali Vitale, and for more than 2 decades, I've been teaching people all over the world how to use their brain, how the brain works, and how the perception works. I would like to let you know that I'm starting my new channel in English, and I chose this beautiful place in the Caribbean, Florida Keys, because of how peaceful and mindful I felt here. And I would like that with the courses and sessions, you could learn to feel the same. As you train your muscles in a gym, you can train your attention to be able to handle your values, beliefs, thoughts, emotions, and even your physical body. I can guide you to use your intuition as a compass. Understand the language of intuition to develop your highest potentials, your talents, your abilities, and to get in contact with your deepest purpose in life. Doing so, you can take shortcuts in life. If you like this information, you can subscribe to my website, malivitale.com, or just follow my channels, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and like my videos and share this with your friends. You will enjoy seeing like all of these works as you see your life thrive.